Hey, what's going on out there, folks? Real quick, just going to do a video on a couple pieces of equipment here. Not anything that I've got for sale, just something to throw a video up of, show you what it'll do. A little 45 amp power supply to the right that Gump built, and a 1 amp Toshiba 2879 box over here to the left. Now, if that Toshiba 2879 ever goes out, I'm probably just going to replace it with a 1446. Because honestly, in a one pill, you're going to see just about the same output power, and the 1446 is probably going to get up and go a little bit easier with a little bit less drive. Obviously, if you're running a real hot radio, 45, 50 watts or whatever, the single 2879 would be the better option. But for me, most of my radios do between 35 watts peak, maybe 45 watts peak. And somewhere between 10 and 12 watts average. Now, obviously, you get a 15 watts average radio, 50, 60 watts PEP. The single 2879 is the way to go. My plan for this thing is I may end up running it into a single 500Z from my local station, local talking station, and then run the 500Z into my other box. So the one pill will push the 500Z, pushing another amp, or I've got the Sonar BR21s and another single 6LQ6 amp that I might run into the 500Z. So lots of options there. But he's got this thing set up for sideband delay and AM. Pretty neat little box, just something he threw together a while back, and I ended up with it. So just show you what it'll do here. We're going to run it with our Galaxy 44, which does 10 to 12 watts average, and I think about 35 to 38 peak. And we got a 500 watt slug going on over here. Zoom in so you can see it. Let's get away from that fan. We're right over top of that fan. So middle scale, average power. Roger, right on. Audio, that's about 50 watts. Middle scale. Audio, maybe 55, 60. Hello, we can get some dead key going in there. Hello, audio. Audio, one. Audio. At 50 to 60 watts average. Then we'll go to peak. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 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 just shy of 150. Audio, middle scale, middle scale, middle scale. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio, just shy of 150 watts. Audio test, audio, 1, 2. Hello. That's it, guys. That's a single Toshiba 2879. I tell you what else, if somebody just really had to have a single Toshiba 2879, I would pull this thing out of here, working. Obviously, I'd hate to pull it out of a working amp, but I could just as well put a 1446 in there, and it would do what I need it to do. So, if you're somebody out there and you're just really hurting for a Toshiba 2879 and you don't want to pay $200 for one or $175 for one, obviously the one in this one's working. Now, I don't want to sell my whole box because I'd end up putting a 1446 back in there to run in its place. But anyway, there you go. Gump Special 1 pill 2879. This thing's been running for a long time. I think he built it, 10 years ago or better, and ran it into a single 500Z. Perfect for a single 500Z. That was real nice. Anyway, guys, reminder, again, next year, last weekend of March, we're going to have our break here in Tennessee. I'm going to try to throw that out on every video. March 27th, the last Saturday of March, Cleveland, Tennessee, exit 20. Tri-State Exhibition Center. It's going to be an indoor and outdoor break. Hope to see you guys there. Rooster in Tennessee. Hope you enjoy the video. See you, bye.